Hey guys, it's your girl Keri. So today I'm going to put together a nice little tablescape. It is beautiful outside, the weather is really nice, and so I just want to put together a little, little snack tray so my husband and I can go outside and enjoy the weather. And the first item is this little piece right here. I want you guys to guess what this is used for. This will absolutely change or step up your entertaining game for the spring and summer. It's an absolute must-have, so take a guess. And then my second item is this piece right here. Can you guys guess what this piece is used for? So I have two wine glasses. That's nothing new. We've had these for a while. I'm going to add that to the tray. I have this beautiful wine coaster. It's by Ralph Lauren, and I picked this up thrifting a while back, like a few years back, and it was just a couple of bucks, and that just kind of adds a little extra element to your trablescapes and tablescapes. I always pick up these little Revere silver bowls from the Goodwill whenever I see them. I get them in all different sizes. I have this stack of coasters here, these stone coasters. I've had these for years, and I'm going to add that to the tray just in case we want to put our drinks on the table outside. We won't ruin the table, so those coasters there. You guys have seen this little doodad several times on my tablescapes, and this right here is just a toothpick holder, and this is just to kind of grab a few of the tidbits that I'll have on my tray. You guys, here a couple of weeks back I shared this little fish serving tray, and this to date is my best Goodwill find ever in terms of price. I was able to pick this marble and pewter serving dish up for $4.99, and when I looked it up online, the manufacturer for this is over $600, so I think I scored well there. I have my two mystery items that you guys are going to guess what they are. And I have this beautiful wicker salt and pepper shaker that my girl Melanie gave me this year for Christmas. We did not do our Christmas gift unwrapping video like we normally do, but we probably do that in July. We're going to do a Christmas in July unboxing, and we're going to kind of have a seafood type themed tablescape, and hence the fish. And then here, you guys have seen this several times in many of my tablescapes, and this right here is you can use it for caviar, you can use it for shrimp cocktail, but basically you would fill the bottom with ice, anything that you need to keep cold, and then you would stick the liner inside. So we're going to have some shrimp cocktail. Then I just grabbed a small bunch of flowers at the grocery store, and I just thought this would be cute. I wanted something that looked a little bit masculine and just a little bit of greenery to make my tablescape pop. And then back here I have some of the drinks. I absolutely love this sweet red wine by the brand Oliver. Favorite. And then my San Pellegrino, love that. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a large tray, this large tray here, because it would house everything that I need for my tablescape and to be able to carry it outside. I'm going to stick the serving dish fish right in here, diagonally. have these little roasted jalapeno seafood poppers, and they're filled with cheese and crab meat and cheddar cheese and things like that. And when you put the popper in the oven, you don't want to fill it and have all the cheese spill out. So we made these little aluminum boats to kind of keep everything tucked in and shaped together nicely. So guys, that little doodad is a lemon squeezer, and you can use this to add to your drinks if there's a drink that you need to squeeze lemons on, if there's a fish dish or anything that you need to squeeze lemons on as well. I'm going to use this to squeeze lemon over our shrimp cocktail. Now that little doodad, the second little doodad I shared with you, it is a beverage hat. And basically what a beverage hat is, you put this on top of your wine glass, or it fits many different types of glasses, and this keeps the gnats out as you're sitting outside and eating. You won't have any flies or any bugs go into your drink, and I just think these are awesome. This is the perfect hostess gift, and this is especially for that entertaining enthusiast that has everything. I'm sure they do not have these beautiful beverage hats. So that's what these are. I absolutely love them. Now I believe my tray is complete and it is ready to be taken outside, and my husband and I can enjoy some alone time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short edition of Let's Dish, and you can now maybe go out and find yourself some lemon squeezers and a beverage hat. And I'll leave the links in the description box below for where you can find any of these items that I talked about in this video. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.